In wake of intensifying ceasefire violations along the border in Jammu and Kashmir, India issued a stern warning to Pakistan, saying its adventurism at the border will cost it dearly.
If Pakistan persists with this adventurism, our forces will make the cost of this adventurism unaffordable.
The defense minister went on to dismiss Pakistan's allegations of aggression by India, stating that the government has a responsibility to defend its territory and people.
India is a responsible state. It's never an aggressor, but at the same time, it has a paramount duty to defend its people and its territory.
Talking about the heightened tension on border, especially along the international border, Arun Jaitley said the effort by Pakistan is a way to precipitate tension where none exists.
There have been a series of ceasefire violations, all unprovoked, by Pakistan. These have mostly been on the international border. Firing is intended to provide a cover for infiltration.
Lauding the army and the BSF, both the defense and home minister said the armed forces have been doing a commendable job in the face of these unprovoked acts of aggression by Pakistan. The home minister also said the prime minister is keeping a close watch on the situation.
Our forces have been doing a commendable job in the face of these unprovoked acts of aggression by Pakistan.
भारत और पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर पर जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उस पर हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी पल पल की नजर बनाए हुए हैं। हमारे सेना और बीएसएफ के जवान इसका माकूल जवाब दे रहे हैं और जो भी हमारे बीएसएफ और सेना के जवान इस समय परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं या जिस तरीके से जवाब दे रहे हैं उससे हम लोग पूरी तरह से संतुष्ट हैं।
The statement comes hours after escalated shelling and firing by Pakistan Rangers all along the international border. As many as 60 Indian border outposts have been targeted by Pakistan. India has been retaliating to the firing effectively. For now, it is to be seen whether Pakistan heeds to India's stern warning. Bureau Report, GD News.